In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your EA account from your PSN account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to properly unlink both accounts that are connected to each other is to go to the EA help page. So go to www.help.ea.com. After you arrive at this page, look at the search bar and look for platform accounts and then press enter. After you search for platform accounts, you have to access this first article, Unlink your platform accounts from your EA account. You will be redirected to this page where you can read the process and see the risks involved, but if you still want to unlink your account, simply scroll all the way down until you see the actual guide. As you can see, all you have to do is go to the first step and then click on this link, the EA Account Settings Portal. You will be automatically redirected, and as long as you are signed in, you can go into the Connections tab over here at the left, and under the Connected Accounts tab, you will have all of your accounts linked. So for example, Amazon, PSN, Xbox, etc. All you would have to do is simply select Unlink next to the PlayStation Network account and sign into your PSN account to proceed and unlink both accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink your EA account from your PSN account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.